Welcome, this is movie of paragraph 8.2, the area of a parallelogram. First of all, what was again a parallelogram? A parallelogram is like this. It was a bell. It was not a parallelogram, that was just a bell. A parallelogram is like the figure below, and a parallelogram has sides that are parallel. The two opposite sides are parallel. Both opposite sides are parallel. So the horizontal sides are parallel and the skewed sides are parallel as well. Parallel. That's why it's called a parallelogram. That also means that the two horizontal sides are even long and the skewed sides are also even long. And well, how do you create a parallelogram? One way to create a parallelogram is to start with a rectangle and then cut off a part, a triangle. Doesn't really matter how long it is, it depends a bit on what parallelogram you need to make, and then put that on the other side. And that's how we go from the rectangle to the parallelogram. And if you do that, the area should not change, because you did not remove any area, you did not add any area, so it stays the same. And that means that the area of the rectangle and the area of the parallelogram is the same. The rectangle, the area is of course both sides multiplied by each other. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Then we should also get to that same one over here. Then we cannot multiply this side with the skewed side, because that is more. Then we get a bigger number than we should have. That's not good. But the line we use, this line, is basically the same as the line we call height with a triangle. And then this line is called the base, if it would be a triangle. So how does it work with the area of a parallelogram? We have the base multiplied by the height, and that's it. Then you have the area. So, simply put, the area is then again 5 times 2 is 10, and it's the base multiplied by the height. And for the height, it needs to be at right angles. Right, that's it. See you. Bye.